Hey guys, what's going on? It's Justin here from Gym Star Apparel. Just got a big shipment in here yesterday and I'm just unboxing it to check it all out. I want to show you guys what we got in here today. Fresh in inventory, we got the new GASP and Better Bodies tactical backpack in a tactical camo. Look at that there. Beautiful, beautiful bag. Absolutely love these bags. Personally, I use one of these for business and for the gym. Show you some of the quick features here. Pop these open. Clips all the way around for security. Big zippered back pocket, which is on this side. It's got the laptop slot. It's got mesh pouches on there. It's also got another part in the middle, big open spot with another mesh pouch, and a front top pocket. This one's great for small things like your earbuds, maybe your wallet, keys, and then a front pocket for some stationery things, pens, notepads, whatever. Also, all the Velcro patches are removable. You can stick them wherever you want. It's got Velcro on the top, Velcro on the bottom. Bottle holders on each side. Nice thick backpack straps. On the backpack straps, there's the Irom World logo, which are also Velcro removable, so you can get some custom patches. Lots of hooks to hang stuff. Also has the waist belt and the upper chest belt, so you can keep this thing secure and use it for hiking. Great for the gym. The way it packs, you can pack all your stuff neat, tidy. Shoes, gym clothes, bags, supplements, everything fits in this guy. But yes, the brand new color just released on our site, now up for grabs. Get it, check it out. Any questions at all, shoot us a message. Thanks guys.